The SEC asked a court yesterday to grant a temporary restraining order to freeze assets tied to Binance US. Now, CoinDesk's global policy and regulation managing editor, Nick Day, joins us, who's also the editor of CoinDesk's State of Crypto newsletter. According to Lawrence, that is the best and mightiest newsletter of all time. Good morning, Nick.
Hey, good morning.
All right. Why don't you break down what's going on here? What is the SEC looking for?
Yeah, so yesterday the SEC filed a application for a temporary restraining order, something they hinted at in Monday's filing against Binance. But basically they're saying that they want a judge to freeze all assets of Binance US from being accessed by anyone at Binance Global, including its founder and CEO, Changpeng Zhao. And only allow U.S. people to withdraw funds. And, obviously this is a pretty serious, accusation. The SEC is basically saying they don't trust Binance with access to U.S. customer funds. But also the SEC alleged in its Monday filing that Binance U.S. is pretty much almost entirely owned by, CZ. So, yeah, it's a little odd, right? But basically, the question is if they need a whole new leadership or management team in place, how long is that going to take?
I guess Brian Brooks is maybe he's available.
So Nick, wait, if they're this injunction, like how quickly could it sort of take effect?
So they did apply for it on an emergency relief basis, meaning they are asking a judge to act quickly. We did see Binance's lawyers, show up on the docket finally last night. So I assume they're going to have some kind of a response in fairly short order. But we might see a ruling, in the next couple of days rather than weeks.
And we don't know if there's been an exodus yet from Binance, correct? We're not hearing anything from any customers or the like for the time being.
Right. I think all we've seen is, on-chain data from Monday and Tuesday showing that, there are withdrawals overall in the, entire Binance structure, but I haven't seen anything specific to Binance US. Although I have started seeing some attorneys, not associated with Binance or Binance US, just generally telling customers to withdraw funds because if Binance has to change its management structure to block Binance Global, individuals from accessing funds, it might just take a little bit of time.
All right, Nick, thank you so much for joining us this morning. That was CoinDesk Global Policy and Regulation Managing Editor, Nick Day. Don't forget to sign up for that newsletter, State of Crypto, on CoinDesk.com.